Mamata Banerjee is all set to file her nomination papers today from Nandigram. She will be contesting against BJP's Suvendu Adhikari, who was once her trusted lieutenant. Adhikari crossed over to the BJP in December, and Mamata Banerjee has moved to Nandigram from her former seat, Bhawanipur, to take on the descendant from the party. Let's go across to Tamal now, who's joining me live from Nandigram this morning. Tamal, filing nominations is also one occasion where politicians indulge in massive show of strength. I believe it's going to be similar for Mamata Banerjee today.
Well, absolutely. After she lands here in Haldia, because she is in Nandigram at the moment, even as you speak, and then from Nandigram she would be coming down to Haldia, and from Haldia there would be almost a kilometer of a roadshow of Mamata Banerjee before she files her nomination. As you rightly said, it is almost also like exerting the show of strength, displaying the show of strength. Why? Because Suvendu Adhikari minded would also be doing a Padayatra today almost around the same time, if not before or after, almost around the same time, because Suvendu Adhikari would also incidentally or coincidentally had chosen this day to inaugurate his office, the working election office in Nandigram, and for that he would do a Padayatra. So when it comes to Clash of Titans, the Titans will not really want to spare an inch of space to either. So that's what you are getting a sense on the ground. Mamata Banerjee would be doing a roadshow, and then she would be filing a nomination. Post that, previously she had decided she would go back to Kolkata, but now she has changed her mind once again. She would stay back in Nandigram. For 2 days, she would be here in Nandigram. So today also she would be here in Nandigram. Tomorrow she would be going back to Kolkata for the unveiling of the manifesto of the party for Bengal Assembly Elections 2021.
Okay.
So today in the evening, once again, she would be indulging in public connect events and programs. There would be surprise visits, maybe visits to temples, but definitely would be interacting with locals out there.
Right, Tamal, you know, in election season, most of the things are not incidentally or coincidentally, they are deliberately done. And perhaps that's the sense that we are getting from both the camps, the BJP and the TMC. Stay with me. We are going to play out a couple of reactions that we've got so far on these political developments, and then I'll come back to you.
যারা হিন্দু মুসলমান করছেন তাদের আমি পরিষ্কার বলি, শুনে রাখুন, আমিও হিন্দু ঘরের মেয়ে। আমার সাথে হিন্দু কার্ড খেলতে যাবেন না। আমার সাথে হিন্দু কার্ড খেলতে গেলে আগে বলুন আপনি নিজে ভালো হিন্দু কিনা। হিন্দু ধর্মের আদর্শ মানুষকে ভালোবাসা। হিন্দু ধর্ম বিবেকানন্দ শিখিয়েছে। হিন্দু ধর্ম মানে রক্ষাকালী, হিন্দু ধর্ম মানে চামুন্ডা কালী, দুর্গা মা, লক্ষ্মী মা, সরস্বতী মা, সন্তোষী মাতা, কত মা, শিব থেকে শুরু করে কত পিতৃদেবতা। আমি শুধু মা বোনেদের বলবো, আমি সকালবেলায় চণ্ডীপাঠ করে তবে কিন্তু বাড়ির থেকে বেরোই, এটা মনে রাখবেন। একটু আপনাদের শুনিয়ে দিই, যারা 30-70 করছে একটু শুনিয়ে দিই, একটু শুনিয়ে একটু হোক, বলবেন হিন্দু ধর্ম নিয়ে আমার সাথে কম্পিটিশন করতে। আমি একটা চণ্ডীপাঠ করি, ওং জয়ন্তী মঙ্গলা কালী ভদ্রকালী কপালিনী দুর্গা শিবা ক্ষমা ধাত্রী সাহা সদা নমস্তুতে মধুকৈটব বিদ্রাভ্যি বিধাত্রী বরদে নমো রূপং দেহি জয়ং দেহি যশো দেহি দিশো জয়ী।
After indulging in brazen minority appeasement for last 10 years, finally Mamata Banerjee has realized that she needs to speak about the larger constituency in her state too. The state of West Bengal has seen times where people had to go to court to seek approval for Durga Visarjan. It is the state which urged the state government to teach in Bengali and not in Urdu. This is a state where Saraswati Vandana was banished. This all happened under Mamata Banerjee's rule. Now suddenly, after having made the decision to desert her traditional seat of Bhawanipur and go to Nandigram, she realizes that the 30% minority vote bank in Nandigram may not be enough to see her through. And that is why she goes and wants to reclaim her Hindu antecedents.
Well, now IPS Neeraj Nayan has been appointed new West Bengal DGP after the Election Commission ordered the transfer of former Director General of Police Virendra. Now, this order comes after several allegations by political parties, especially the BJP, claiming that the former DGP had a bias for Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's party, the TMC.
we are shocked and sad that the DGP, Mr. Birendra, has been removed in this way. As far as I know, Mr. Birendra was a neutral, good police officer. Now the Election Commission is taking decisions based on the complaints by BJP party. That is unfortunate. We cannot really do anything about the steps they take. We are again protesting, but there is nothing we can do. It is a very unfair step.
Well, Tamal, it's all happening in battleground West Bengal. Transfers are happening. Of course, Mamata Banerjee there in another fiery speech saying that don't you dare play the Hindu card with me, while the BJP is even trying to play the outsider card with her for her decision of contesting from Nandigram and not Bhawanipur this time.
Well, as far as Bhawanipur and Nandigram is concerned, yesterday we have seen Mamata Banerjee, what many would say defensive a role, but then she has countered each and every point of argument of BJP. She explained that Bhawanipur would have been easier for her, but then she chose a difficult choice just to ensure that she can be in Nandigram, she can fight for Nandigram, and she doesn't let the Nandigram people betrayed, because mind you, Shubhendu Adhikari, who was the MLA of Nandigram, had resigned before resigning from Trinamool Congress. He had resigned from the Nandigram seat and then he had joined BJP. So the fact that he had resigned from the seat, it's something that Mamata Banerjee had tried projecting as betrayal towards people. On that ground, she said she had decided to come down to Nandigram because Nandigram as a place is very close to her, she claims, and of course quite significant in Mamata Banerjee's political career. But then coming to your initial point, Preeti, the way the DGP has been removed, the Trinamool Congress is extremely livid. Having spoken to sources very close to Mamata Banerjee, have been told that she is also very, very disappointed, and this is not something that she was expecting, because there had been a massive reshuffle in rank and file of Bengal Police and Kolkata Police right before Model Code of Conduct was implemented, because there had been advisories issued to the state government that previously made changes in previous elections should also be considered, and those who had been removed last time, they should not be kept any given any responsibility, and the state government accordingly had made a lot of reshuffling. But DGP was not shunted last time. Last time the Kolkata Police Commissioner was changed, and this time, keeping that in mind, the Kolkata Police Commissioner has been changed. The ADG Law and Order has been changed. But the Election Commission, after the Model Code of Conduct was implemented, just last week, had changed ADG Law and Order. Javed Shamim was replaced by Mr. Jagmohan, and now we see that DGP has been removed. The fact that he has been removed, and also with the caveat that he cannot be given any responsibility involved with the election as being advised to the Chief Secretary, is what the state government of Mamata Banerjee sees quite personally and humiliating in nature, and thus possibly she would be responding to that today evening. We will wait and see how she reacts, what she reacts. But at
We'll
the
track
moment,
those
yes,
developments.